Hello, 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 kids. How are you doing? That is great. I'm so glad that you are doing wonderful, awesome stuff. Okay, today we're going to be reading a story called My Little Train. So, all aboard! Choo choo!
My little train goes chug, 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 chugging into Central Station. Woo, woo, woo. See all the passengers who want to come aboard?
Where do you want to go? I will take you anywhere, says the train. Woo, woo, woo. To the pond, says a duck. Quack, quack. To the field, says a sheep. Baa, baa. To the forest, says a monkey. Kiki. To the mountain, says a bear. Grr, grr.
Chugga, 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 chugga. Woo, woo. Chugga, 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 chugga. Woo, woo. All right.
Here we go, says the train. Woo, woo. Across the hill. Chug, chug. Over the bridge. Woo, woo. Through the tunnel. Chug, chug. Woo, woo. Quack, quack. Ba, ba. Grr, grr. Kee, kee, kee. Says all the happy passengers. First stop, the pond, says the train. The duck jumps out and dives into the pond. Goodbye, duck, says the train. Woo, woo. Next stop, the field, says the train. The sheep jumps out and runs into the poppy field. Have a nice day, sheep, says the train. Woo, woo. Next stop, the forest, says the train. The monkey hops out and swings into the branches. See you next time, says the train. Woo, woo. Here comes the mountain, the mountain. Huff a puff, sighs the train. Last stop, the mountain top. Don't forget your lunchbox, says the train, and the bear climbs out. Be careful, says the train. Woo, woo. Everyone has gone now. Good job, good job. Bravo, train, says a little voice. It's a little kangaroo. Where did he come from? I love trains, said the little kangaroo. Glad to hear it. Where do you want to go? Says the train. Woo, woo. For a ride, says the little kangaroo. And they go across the mountain. Chug, chug. Over the bridge. Woo, woo. Through the tunnel. Chug, chug. Woo, woo. This is fun, says the little kangaroo. Then they reach a cliff. Woo, woo, woo. Hold on tight, little kangaroo. The train falls down. Bump, 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 and stops. The little kangaroo hops out. Hop, 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 and pushes the train. Huff a puff, huff a puff. Up goes one car. Up goes another car. Up goes the engine. Hooray, little kangaroo. Glad you were with me. Now, where do you want to go? Says the train. Woo, woo. To my pocket, says the little kangaroo. Where did you leave it? Asks the train. Chug, chug. At Central Station, says the little kangaroo. Ah. Okay then, Central Station, here we come, says the train. Chug, chug, woo, woo. Here is Central Station. See all the passengers waiting for the train? See someone waiting for the kangaroo too? It's Mama, shouts the little kangaroo and jumps into her pocket. Goodbye, train, and thank you, says the little kangaroo. Come aboard anytime, my little big friend, says the train. Chug, chug, woo, woo, woo. The end.
The end.